An emotive slogan is one that creates an emotion in people, like Nike's iconic, "Just Do It" slogan. Emotive slogans are ideal for bigger, well-known brands that want to be closely aligned with a feeling. In this short video, you're going to learn how to write one. So let's get started. You'll need a pen and paper, or a device with a blank document open. Naturally, you'll need to know your business name as well. Get ready to press pause, because this is a fun step-by-step process, which allows you to create your slogan while you watch the video. We'll let you know when it's time to pause the video in order to write. Although you require a strong level of writing ability to write an emotive slogan, we've made the process as straightforward and fun as possible. We believe in you. One quick, initial note. There are many ways to write an emotive slogan, this is just one of them. If you find yourself organically trying something different as you follow the steps, great, go with it. The end goal is to write an effective, powerful slogan. How you get there is your own personal journey. Enjoy. Step 1. Make a mental note of the list of verbs we're about to give you. You don't have to remember these words, it's just good to read them now because they're going to appear in a table later on in the video. Feel, savor, enjoy, experience, discover, relish, appreciate, revel in, harness, melt into. Step 2. Brainstorm a list of positive feelings. In this step, brainstorm a list of positive feelings your customers experience when they use your products and/or services. List as many as you can. To help you along, let's use the practical example of a simple, straightforward product like baking chocolate. We're going to call the business that sells this chocolate, Sam's Dairy-Free Baking Chocolate. Sam targets his cooking chocolate to parents who like to bake with their kids. So here's our list of words: joy, love, magic, happiness, creative, fun, relaxation, cheekiness, enjoyment, bliss. Please pause the video and write down your own list of positive feelings that people experience when using your products and/or services. Step 3. Write a list of rough slogans. We'll show you how. Using both the verbs we've supplied and the emotions you've just listed in the last step, you're going to create some rough emotive slogans. To do this, put the verbs from the verb list we provided earlier in the video in front of the emotive words you've just written in the last step. The table on the next screen shows you how. Please pause to read the contents of the table. Your turn. Please pause the video to create rough slogans by putting the verbs we supplied, along with any others you added, in front of the emotions you listed. Join them together using the word, the. Use the table on the previous screen as a reference point. Step 4. Choose your preferred rough emotive slogan, and tweak and edit it. Tweak and edit any line you choose, until you're happy with it. We are going to choose, enjoy the magic. However, we're going to tweak it to relate to the act of baking some chocolate. Our line is now, melt into the magical moments. Please pause the video to tweak your own preferred line. This will be your completed emotive slogan. However, there is a bonus section if you are up for a writing challenge. If you're not, no problem at all, skip to step 5. Bonus section. If you want a slogan a bit more like Nike's, just do it, complete this step as well. Ask yourself, what do I want my customer to do as a result of feeling the emotions? For example, in Nike's case, as a result of feeling confident, ready and empowered, Nike wants you to just do it. What do you want your customers to just do? With our baking example, as a result of melting into the magical moments, we want people to truly savor and experience every special moment life has to offer. So after playing around with some ideas, we've created this shorter, emotive slogan, which is, get a taste for life. Please pause the video to take your emotive slogan to the next level. If this step is hard to do, or you don't like what you've already created and would prefer not to go further, that's totally okay. An emotive slogan is not for everyone, and can also be quite difficult to write. There are other styles of slogans, and we show you how to write each one on our channel. Step 5. Check. Flaunt. Leverage. This next step involves making sure you haven't accidentally created a slogan that's too similar or identical to another company's slogan. To do this, search the intellectual property database within your country, and contact them if you have any doubts. See the video description for links. If your slogan is good to go, consider trademarking or registering it, and flaunt it to the world. Leverage it by placing it on all your marketing material, including business cards and your website. Congratulations on writing your emotive slogan. Wishing you continued success in your business and life.